Hey everybody, it's Ryan KC9OZA, and I'm going to do another short video here. This time it is on a Anderson PowerPole distribution block. This is by CrazyHamSales. You can visit him here at CrazyHamSales.com. He also has an eBay store. Seller is under CrazyHamSales. What this is a DC PowerPole distribution panel, 45 amps. So it has your inlet. So this is where you'd connect it to either your power supply, battery, or other 12-volt source. And then here you have your 6 connections. And then here on the top, for each one of these connections, you have a fuse slot. Now it does not come with fuses. You have to provide your own, but you should be able to pick those up at any automotive hardware store or even Walmart or other stores should have them. So you can easily put your fuse rating that you want each distribution spot to be. So it is a black 3D printed case that he makes himself, and I've bought several products off of this seller. He's a great guy to deal with. If you have any questions about anything before you purchase, he'll always answer them pretty quickly. And you can also purchase the same model with a little readout that shows your voltage. I opted not to do that. It's a few dollars more if you want that option. But this is a great little thing. I'm going to use it with my power supply with my 7300. So that way my power supply, I'll just connect it here. And then I can have my 7300 on one jack. I'll have my DSP speaker on another jack. And then as I want to, I can add more down the road. So if you're looking for something for either in the shack to distribute power, this would be nice on your desk. Or you could also put some 3M tape or Velcro on the back. You could stick it on the wall of your shack, have your power supply, then you could have each one of your radios or powered speakers on there. And that way you don't have a bunch of wires, everything would be neat and tidy. So again, this is a 45 amp Anderson PowerPole distribution block by CrazyHamSales. Go check him out, he's a great guy to deal with. As always, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Be sure to hit that bell notification so you receive any notifications for any future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll say 73s.